Nest egg, Tyrone Jackson from The Wealthy Investor. Great to see you this morning.
Nice to see you. Good morning.
I am fascinated by this. You are saying that with just a little bit of education and some effort on our part, we can take the control back and make more money for our future.
That is exactly right. You know, with baby boomers rushing towards retirement, the greatest fear is that somehow you're going to outlive your retirement dollars. Not true. If you have a financial education, your retirement dollars can kick off monthly residual income.
And you were saying that there is one big important thing going the route of stocks.
That is correct. You know, the last time I was here at San Diego Living, I talked about this notion of Dow stocks. Well, instead of just sitting in a mutual fund, which is nothing but a basket of stocks, what most people don't realize, if they buy stocks individually, first they're going to collect quarterly dividends. And there's a wonderful strategy in the stock market that produces monthly income, and it's referred to as covered call writing, and anyone can do it.
Covered call writing.
Yes.
Those are three magic words because what I'm understanding from you is that covered call writing, when you understand how that works, whether your investments are doing well or not, you're going to still make some money.
Right. Here's essentially how it works. Let's say you and I write a book, right? If we wrote a book, we can option it away to someone to make a movie. Well, it just so happens in the stock market, we can option our stocks away and get paid for doing it. Now, some of those options are weekly options, and some of those options are monthly options. But we get paid, it's a simple trading strategy anybody can use. We get paid for selling options to other people to buy our stocks away from us at a higher price.
I love it. Tyrone, I think we should write that book. I do. I really think we should. Okay, so folks can do this very easily. You don't have to be a financial investor or planner or have a financial background. Where do you get started in understanding the basics?
Well, the first thing is you need a financial education. Most people are terrified of the stock market, but we all know that somebody got rich from Google, your neighbors next door.
Post-it notes.
That's exactly right.
I wish I'd invented those.
That's
Darn it.
right. Well, here's the great thing. You don't have to invent them. You just have to own the shares. And if those shares rise in value, that creates something called wealth. But along the way, there are various income generating strategies in the stock market that anyone can use.
Now, you are offering a workshop, and it is just a short drive from America's finest city up to the City of Angels, where you are going to give that education that can really turn people's financial future around.
That's exactly right. My program is called the Wealthy Investor Program at thewealthyinvestor.net. All you have to do is go and sign up for the free newsletter, and then you can join me for a full day live event in Los Angeles at the airport. It's really great. I teach you a lot of strategies about the stock market, and it's very, very, very exciting.
If somebody is watching this morning and they're, say, in their 20s, of course, that'll give them more time to collect more of a nest egg. But if somebody is close to retirement, this can still be very useful for them. Useful.
It's vital information, and that's why I love teaching it, because it really changes people's lives. The opportunity, if they shift their thinking from just from regular income to residual income, guess what? That makes a difference for a lot of people. So if you can earn an extra $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, or $5,000 a month, trading online in your retirement with conservative strategies, that's got to help people in today's world.
Two questions. How much time do you have to dedicate a day? And give us a story of someone's life who's turned around because of this.
Well, I start out with all my students. I go, listen, you can trade just once a month and make money. But my favorite story, because I teach a lot of celebrities and people in the media, my favorite story very quickly was a Korean news producer, and she came to the program. She started trading, making monthly income. Her parents had something like $68,000 worth of stocks. She learned a strategy that started to produce monthly income for them, and they were able to afford the heating bill in the winter. Touched my heart and my soul. So I have the opportunity to touch a lot of people, and most people, this is what's so fascinating, make absolutely great stock market traders, and you don't have to sit at a computer all day.
I love that. So you don't have to have a fancy education or a lot of extra numbers or titles by your name. You just have to learn some basic steps.
That is correct. And the world of trading is very seductive. It'll pull you in. And I'll teach you some other trades above and beyond collecting dividends and covered calls that are really super. But here's the thing. Anyone can do it. You just need an open mind.
I love it. All right. Your workshop, we'll get there. And right after that, we'll just write that book together, shall we?
That's a deal.
Okay. Be a moneymaker. I know it.
Okay.
Thanks so much, Tyrone.
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you. All right. More information, please go to our website, san-diego6.com, and click on San Diego Living. Coming up next, getting ready to set sail from San Diego to Ensenada. Local adventure seekers are preparing for the International Yacht Race, now in its 50th year.